Hi guys, how's it going? This is Susta Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is toasted coconut with ground beef. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. This is half of a small onion with 4 garlic, 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil and 2 tablespoons of water, and we're just gonna process this using the food processor into a fine paste. Brown 500 grams of lean ground beef. Now put in the paste and about half to 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, and season it with chicken bouillon powder. Now take off from heat and set to side. Now over here I have half onion, 5 garlic, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, a quarter to half teaspoon of ground galangal or galangal powder, and also 1 thumb of ginger. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil and 2 tablespoons of water. We're just gonna process it into fine paste. Using the same pan, just pour the paste. Saute the paste until fragrant. On medium heat. 300 grams of unsweetened desiccated coconut. So that's about 1.5 bag. 1 bag is 200 grams. We want to cook this until coconut is somewhat browning but not burnt, so you want to always or continue stirring. You have to watch it so the coconut doesn't get too toasted or burnt. And we're gonna season this with chicken bouillon powder as well dark brown sugar to taste. A little water just to help with the diluting the brown sugar. Keep toasting until it reaches the desired color, and the coconut kind of drying because we added a little water earlier, so you want it to kind of dry before you add in your beef. This is starting to toast nicely, and you want to continue stirring so you don't burn the whole lot. Add in your beef and continue cooking until they are combined nicely for another 5 to 8 minutes. Serve it with turmeric coconut rice, regular rice, it's up to you. This cool completely before you store it in Tupperware, or it will get kinda soggy, and it's okay if you like it kinda soggy, but I like it kinda dry, so you want to cool it to room temperature before you store it away in the fridge.